beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. If you're about creativity, beauty, and living your best life, you are in the right place. This channel is a whole vibe. We're not just blending eyeshadow here. We're experimenting, we are creating, and we're making everyday life extra special. I've always been a person that loved art and colors growing up. But it didn't just stop there. Let's be real, normal is boring. I went from just loving makeup into creating different makeup looks. And now, here we are. What is Faitee's Touch all about? Well, it's a little bit of everything. Let me break it down. Makeup tutorial, from soft glam to over the top editorial look. Special effect and fantasy makeup. Why look normal when you can look magical? Beauty and confidence talks. Let's glow from the inside out and build that confidence, girl. Product reviews and hacks, saving your money and time, because what am I here for? Lifestyle content, vlogs, routine, and all the things that makes life fun. Because let's be real, makeup is just one part of the glow up. You are in for the full experience. How I take care of myself, what inspires me, and the little things that makes life easy and beautiful. Do you all feel like life is one big getting ready montage? Because I spend half of my time doing my makeup and I spend the other half deciding what to wear, how to pose, what to do with my hair. At this point, we should just make it a series. Faitee tries to get her life together. But real talk, there are over 1,001 beauty and lifestyle channels out there. So why should you stick around? Because this isn't just tutorial and products review, it's a whole experience. We're talking creativity, confidence, self-care, and making every moment feel special. Basically, we are leveling up inside and out, and I want you to be a part of it. More in-depth makeup tutorials and transformation, full-on series where I try different beauty and self-care trends, behind-the-scenes vlogs and real-life moments, even some fashion and style content, because the look is not complete without a perfect fit. I'm going to share everything, not just the polished moments, the funny ones, the messy ones, that's not just the planned ones, because that is what makes life fun. So if you love makeup and creativity and just living your best life, hit the subscribe button and join the Faitee's fam, where we are making every day a little more creative, a little more fun, and a whole lot fabulous. Now, let's paint the world one brushstroke at a time. Welcome to my world. I can't wait to create, grow, and glow with you.